Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Nowadays, the demand of face masks is too high, not only here in the Philippines but also in some other countries around the world because of this pandemic. And sometimes you want to go to the pharmacy to buy face masks, but the pharmacy wasn't able to give some face masks because there's no available face mask anymore. So you ended up going home very sad because of that situation. Now for this video, I'll be showing you how to make an improvised face mask just using handkerchief. So of course this should be clean and 2 rubber bands. So let's go. Okay guys, so this is the most common method we do as our alternative for a face mask. So normally we get a handkerchief. So make sure that this is clean, and usually we just fold this one, but we need to change the orientation of the handkerchief like this, like a rhombus. So after that, we get this end point, then meet this to the other end point, like this one. Then at this part, you need to fold this just enough to cover your nose and your mouth, and that's it. We place this directly to our nose and mouth, then not these two ends at the back of your head. So this is the usual method. So you place this in your nose, covering your mouth, then you tight this one at the back, but this is kinda difficult to manage because sometimes the knot will just loose anytime and it's kinda tight, and there's a better option to make a mask, an alternative mask using handkerchief, and you just need to prepare 2 rubber bands and 1 clean handkerchief. There is an effective technique on how to make a face mask. So you just need a clean handkerchief and 2 rubber bands. So this is the process of how to make it. So you need to fold this in half like that, then another folding, so you need to fold twice. So after that, you need to get your rubber bands, insert the first rubber band in this side, so just an approximation, this is the location of the rubber band from the end, and do that on the other side. So make sure the placement of the rubber bands are just equal to the both ends. Then after that, get this part of the handkerchief, then you need to fold this one like this up to this part, then get the other one and insert this inside. Just turn this around. So make sure this properly inserted. And that's it. We have now a face mask. So that is now our face mask. So how to use this face mask? You just get the rubber bands, then place in this manner. Then you stretch the rubber bands up to your 2 ears, and like that. So just similar when you try to wear your face mask that you bought in the pharmacy. So that's it. This is an alternative way of making face mask. So I hope you learned something from this video and stay safe. Bye bye.